Some researchers consider two broad categories of meditation: concentration meditation and mindful meditation. Both types of meditation typically involve sitting quietly in a place that is relatively free of distraction. Concentration meditation involves focusing your mind on something as completely as possible. Many people focus on their breathing. Some focus on a particular word, a mantra, repeating it over and over in their mind. In concentration meditation, by focusing only on one thing, you stop thinking about everything else that would normally occupy your mind. Mindfulness meditation is, in some respects, the opposite of concentration meditation. During mindfulness meditation, you seek to be aware of yourself and your surroundings, without thinking about anything in particular. This notion of not thinking is somewhat foreign to most people. Our brains naturally tend to wander from thought to related thought all the time. This flow of ideas is what psychologists refer to as our stream of consciousness.